We'll show you how to install your Onduline roof in a few easy steps. You'll need the following equipment: an electric screwdriver, a pen, a knife, a spirit level, a measuring tape and a saw. Personal safety in a work environment is important. We recommend wearing gloves and safety glasses and working on a stable support. Before getting started, check the structure and slope of your roof. Onduline products are recommended for either full deck or discontinuous roof structures with a pitch of at least 15%. In the case of a discontinuous structure using wooden battens, the space between battens must be 37 cm maximum. It is important to check these points so that your installation can be optimized and durable. To install Onduline EASYFIX, first calculate the number of sheets you will need. A sheet will cover a net surface of 1.32 meters squared. For this shed, which has a roof area of 7 square meters, you will need 5 sheets. In addition to the sheet, Onduline also provides verge pieces for the sidewalls, caps for the ridge, and Onduline fasteners. The installation of these elements is always done in the opposite direction to the prevailing winds. Position the rope at a distance of 7 cm maximum from the edge of the roof on each side of the roof. Installation of the sheet is done from eave to ridge. In order to ensure good water tightness, align the overlapping guides. Fasten the tiles between the 2 embossed lines on top of the corrugations using the Onduline fasteners. Do not overdrive the fasteners into the corrugations during the fastening process. For the last corrugation, do not fasten until the corrugation is overlapped by either the next sheet or an accessory. Install the first row of sheets from side to side. For the second row, start with a half sheet. Our recommendation is to use a sheet to cut the second sheet. Tip: if you don't want to cut your sheet, you can do a bigger overlap. We will now install the EASYFIX verge piece. For the ridge, start at the edge of the roof with a cap. Continue with the rest of the ridge line using caps. The overlapping of the caps must be 12 cm minimum. The fixing is done with Onduline fasteners through each corrugation of the sheet. Just like the sheet, the direction of the overlap is made according to prevailing winds. That's it! The installation of your Onduline EASYFIX roof is now finished. Onduline sheets are ideal if you need to re-roof a shed covered with old bitumen shingles or metal sheets. In this case, you just have to install sheets on top of the existing roof. Last but not least, the Onduline universal screws are designed to fasten Onduline products on both wood and metal structures. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our technical department.